Hey, I'm Harry from PB Tech and we're giving away this keyboard. Watch to the end of the video to find out how you can get your hands on it. Subscribe! In this episode, we're going to take a look at a top-of-the-range hardcore gaming keyboard. And I've been using the Steelseries APEX M750 for the last 2 weeks now. Looking around the office, I'm noticing that gaming keyboards are starting to become more commonplace. So I wanted to take a look at an elite example of what all the fuss is about. When I recently started here at PV and I wandered in all wide-eyed looking forward to some hardcore PC life, at my desk I was greeted by this majestic Apple scissor mechanism keyboard. Won't you leave me alone? The first thing I noticed about this M750 is that it has exposed keycaps. This rustic look has its uses though. It allows the RGB lights to better illuminate the chassis for maximum effect. The chassis is made from 5000 series aluminium, which is known for its high strength and resistance to corrosion, expertly demonstrated for you in this side-by-side comparison video. My god, has science gone too far? Under the keycap, what you have is a QX2 linear switch. What I can tell you about the switch type is that I found it very smooth. In fact, it was a little bit sensitive because sometimes when I hit the keys I'd double tap by accident. And for more knowledge on different types of switches, you can check out our previous video on our channel. Despite the feel of these key switches being super smooth, I thought that the keys were a little bit loud. I mean, when you're editing and people are trying to talk to you and you're hitting start and stop while you're editing all the time, it can be a little bit annoying. Though now I'm used to the Apple scissor switches, I found that I had a lighter touch with a less noisy approach to this keyboard. Though when some of my colleagues sat down and had a go on it, it was pretty loud. Luckily though, Steelseries have included a couple of little earplugs. What? They're adjustable stab feet! But why? It's compact for a full-size keyboard, but it still retains a nice amount of distance between each key. But are all these RGB lights just a gimmick? Yes. But does it really mean it's worth it? Absolutely. If you're the type of person who low-key wants to show off their new sexy keyboard, then you're probably the type of person that doesn't really mind dropping a comment or two about its hefty price tag. I seriously think it looks mint, and its aesthetics are what you're actually paying for. I mean, check this out, the lighting effects can even support GIFs. To customize these effects, you have to install the SteelSeries Engine 3 software, which I found super easy to do. And with the app, you can choose from a ton of different effects presets for when the keyboard is sitting idle like this, or when you're hitting the keys. The only fault I could find with the RGB effects actually wasn't the fault of the keyboard, it was more with me. Because whenever I looked down while typing, it felt like I was tripping balls. With decent switches, configurable key bindings, all within a compact and robust shell, the APEX M750 is the perfect keyboard for the gamer who seeks the pro gaming experience, no matter the cost. Or maybe this top-of-the-range gaming keyboard is for the white-collar worker who's looking to empower his desk with a visually stunning and somewhat audible centerpiece to catch the eye of bosses everywhere and help shoot him up the career ladder. What? I'm really the only one that doesn't have one of these. Oh, no wonder I'm not getting paid. Jeez. To be in to win our free keyboard giveaway, all you have to do is write the funniest comment you can using only one row of keys on the keyboard.
Try to think of a single word you could write with one column.
Are you wet poo?
Yeah.